What's up, y'all? This is Mad Hatter again here, showing you some updates. Done a little bit of work out here. I'm gonna try to just rotate the screen and show you. Done a little bit of cleaning out here in the front. My buddies got rid of a couple of the piles out here. I'm gonna be mowing here shortly. Keep it going here in the front. I've been working in the front here. I got all this kind of tilled or weed eated up, and I got this all retilled, and just gonna put a little bit of soil on the top, and this is gonna be herb garden area. Here's the rest of the yard. Come on back. These are our flags. They've been here for quite a few years. Lori put those in when she first got the property. Here's one of the raised beds that I'm gonna make. It's gonna be this tall. Soil into about here. That way you don't have to bend down to do your gardening. And here's stuff for the other one. Been doing a bunch of work back here. My mom and my friend Zach have been working out here, moving stuff around. He's got a bunch of stuff done out here. And here's the other yard. I got all that weed eated earlier, so I'm gonna till that up, and there's gonna be like the flower beds and stuff back there. And I did start tilling back here with my little bitty baby rototiller. Look at how small that thing is. I got this whole area here that I'm going to be doing. Plus, I'm probably going to do some over here. I'm going to be removing this tree. And then that raised bed there is going like right here. Either this way or this way. Probably this way because of the angle of the sun. There's my project so far. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for sticking in. Until next time, this is the Mad Hatter. Remember, stay humble, stay kind, and of course, watch out for the normal people. Peace.
Spades turn the earth a daily gift. Through sun and rain I stand tall, nurturing life a gardener's call. In the dirt I find my heart's true home. With sweat and roots I grow strong. Nature's magic, a transformation. From seeds to blooms my spirit flies. becomes a gardener's badge. Each plant a friend in every stage. Bending back, my back straightens true. In the surf, my soul finds its hue. In the dirt, I find my heart's true home. With sweat and roots, I grow strong. Nature's magic, a transformation. From seeds to blooms, my spirit flies. In the dirt, I find my heart's true home. With sweat and roots, I grow strong. Nature's magic, a transformation. From seeds to blooms, my spirit does. In the dirt, I follow you. With sweat and roots, I grow strong. Nature's magic, a transformation.